Imagine that your cozy evening at home is disrupted by an unexpected clatter from your furnace. We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Suddenly, the peaceful atmosphere you cherish is replaced by a jarring noise that leaves you concerned and frustrated. What if I told you that understanding why your furnace is making those unsettling sounds could save you from bigger problems and restore the tranquility you deserve? Let's delve into some common reasons why your furnace might be loud and how you can address these issues effectively. Knowing why your furnace is loud is crucial for maintaining comfort and saving money. Many homeowners face this issue, with about 70% encountering furnace noise at some point. Common causes include dirty air filters, loose ductwork, and aging furnaces. For example, clogged filters force your furnace to work harder, increasing energy costs. Heating accounts for up to 25% of energy use in buildings. Addressing these issues not only reduces noise but also improves efficiency. Some noises can indicate severe problems. A cracked heat exchanger, for instance, can produce alarming sounds and necessitate immediate professional inspection. New technologies like high-efficiency furnaces and variable-speed motors are gaining popularity because they operate quietly while reducing energy consumption. Number 1. Dirty air filters. Dirty air filters are often the main culprits behind a noisy furnace. When filters clog with dust and debris, they restrict airflow, making the furnace work harder and create more noise. Check your air filters every month and replace or clean them every 1 to 3 months, especially during peak heating seasons. Investing in high-quality filters that trap smaller particles helps reduce noise and improves indoor air quality. Number 2. Loose or damaged ductwork. Loose or damaged ductwork can produce rattling and banging sounds as air flows through. Inspect your ductwork for loose screws or supports and tighten them as necessary. Using insulation around ducts can minimize vibrations and keep noise at bay. Even minor adjustments can significantly reduce rattling sounds. Number 3. Blower motor issues. A malfunctioning blower motor often leads to grinding, squealing, or rattling sounds. Regular maintenance is essential. Lubricating the motor can prevent wear and tear. If noise persists, check the motor for damage or misalignment. Sometimes replacing the motor entirely may be necessary, which can be complex. Consulting a professional is often best if unsure. Number 4. Heat exchanger problems. If you hear banging or popping noises, your heat exchanger may be cracked or damaged, a serious issue needing immediate professional inspection. A cracked heat exchanger can produce noise and pose safety risks like carbon monoxide leaks. Timely inspection and potential replacement can save you from significant problems. Number 5. Age of the furnace. Older furnaces are typically noisier due to wear and tear on parts. Evaluate the age of your furnace. If it's over 15 years old, consider a replacement. Newer models often operate more quietly and efficiently, saving money on energy bills in the long run. Number 6. Improper installation. An improperly installed furnace can generate excessive noise due to poor alignment or inadequate support. If you've recently had a furnace installed and are experiencing loud noises, contact a qualified technician to assess the installation. Ensuring proper installation is essential for optimal performance. Even minor adjustments can significantly reduce noise levels. Number 7. Thermostat issues. An improperly calibrated thermostat can lead to frequent cycling on and off, creating unnecessary noise. Check your thermostat settings and recalibrate if necessary. If it malfunctions regularly, consider replacing it with a modern programmable model that improves efficiency and maintains consistent temperatures. Being familiar with the common noises your furnace might make is essential for maintaining a safe and comfortable home. Different sounds indicate various issues. Identifying them can prevent costly repairs. For example, a banging noise may suggest ductwork problems, while a high-pitched squeal could mean the blower motor needs lubrication. Ignoring these noises can lead to energy inefficiencies, ultimately increasing utility bills. Each sound has its significance. A rattling furnace may not only disrupt your peace but also signal loose parts that could lead to further damage if unchecked. Regular maintenance can reduce breakdowns by up to 95%. Recognizing and addressing these noises early allows homeowners to save money, avoid safety risks, and ensure efficient operation of their heating systems. Identifying the source of furnace noise is crucial for efficient operation and comfort. Each type of sound points to different issues. Recognizing these sounds can save you from costly repairs. For instance, a whistling noise could indicate a blocked air duct, affecting airflow and increasing energy bills. Up to 25% of home energy use goes toward heating. Taking the time to listen to your furnace provides valuable insights into its health. And a popping noise may be due to ductwork expansion and contraction, often fixed with proper insulation. However, persistent noise might signal a more serious issue needing professional attention. Early recognition allows homeowners to address problems before they escalate, ensuring safety and efficiency. Regular maintenance. Schedule annual maintenance checks with a qualified HVAC technician to ensure all components are working efficiently, identifying potential issues before they become major problems. Insulate ductwork. Proper insulation minimizes vibrations and sound transfer throughout your home, reducing noise and improving energy efficiency. Upgrade to a modern thermostat. Installing a programmable or smart thermostat regulates furnace cycling, reducing on and off noises and maintaining consistent temperatures. Check for loose parts. Inspect your furnace and ductwork for loose components that may vibrate during operation. Tightening screws, bolts, and brackets often eliminates rattle sounds. Consider a sound blanket. Installing a sound blanket around your furnace absorbs noise, especially useful for older furnaces that may be inherently noisier due to wear and tear. Evaluate furnace location. Consider relocating your furnace to a less intrusive area or insulating the space around it. Moving it to a basement or garage reduces noise in living spaces. Replace old components. If specific parts are consistently noisy, consider replacing them with newer, quieter versions. Upgrading to a variable speed blower motor operates more quietly and efficiently. Seal air leaks. Check for air leaks around ducts and furnace connections. Sealing these leaks reduces escaping air noise and improves overall system efficiency. At Big Home Projects, we understand that addressing furnace issues is essential for maintaining a comfortable and safe home environment. Approximately 25% of home energy use goes toward heating systems, making efficient furnace operation crucial. Our platform connects homeowners with experienced HVAC professionals who can diagnose and resolve common furnace problems, ensuring smooth and quiet operation. From my experience managing big home projects, I've seen how timely interventions make a significant difference. Many homeowners underestimate regular maintenance's importance and wait until their furnace makes strange noises before seeking help. Connecting with skilled technicians through our platform enables homeowners to schedule routine checks and address minor issues before they escalate, enhancing comfort and efficiency while leading to long-term savings. Trusting Big Home Projects means investing in your home's health and ensuring your furnace operates at its best. So next time you hear those unsettling noises from your furnace, remember that understanding their cause can save you from bigger problems down the road. Visit our site today for expert advice and professional assistance in maintaining a peaceful home environment.